Measuring with a Hioki RM3544 resistance meter is extremely easy. Watch this video to learn more about the RM3544's comparator function. The comparator function on the RM3544 lets you set upper and lower resistance thresholds and automatically compares the measured resistance with those thresholds. If the measured value is within the thresholds, the decision will be in. If the measured value exceeds the thresholds, the decision will be either high or low. The red LED will light up when the thresholds are exceeded, and the green LED will light up when the measured value is within the thresholds. To make a comparative judgment using the upper and lower thresholds, make settings in ABS mode. Here we will set the upper threshold at 99 milliohms and the lower threshold at 72 milliohms. Shown here is a comparative decision of N. To make a comparative judgment based on the difference from a reference value, use the percentage mode. First, enter the reference value, for example, 80 milliohms. Then enter the acceptable range, in this instance, 10%. An indecision is displayed. For a high decision, let's use type 2 as the tone and configure it so that it sounds continuously. An indecision will have no sound. And let's use the same sound setting for a low decision. The comparison results can also be output via the external input-output terminal. This is useful for controlling relays or inputting to a PLC system. As you can see, the comparator function provided by the RM3544 resistance meter is extremely convenient and effective. For more information, please visit www.hioki.com.